The pranayama for this path is the charging breath. And this is a great breathing exercise to connect to the power of the earth and to connect to your own body and your connection to your environments. Now you'll work with the charging breath. And with this concept, visualization is a powerful tool. And with visualization, it gives you the opportunity of being more connected with your body. And then you can bring this into your posture. You can bring this into all of your day-to-day activities. So in this particular breath, you'll close your eyes and feel your connection to the ground beneath you. Feel relaxed within your shoulders, your arms. And with the eyes closed, just first bringing that sense of awareness, just physically, just checking in. How are you? How's the body feeling? And now in this exercise, you'll visualize the breath as an energy. Maybe you'll perceive it as a light or just feel it as a sensation, but to create that visualization of connection to the breath as something more than just simply breath, more than just simply air. So feeling that connection to the ground beneath you, as you inhale, you'll feel and visualize this energy pulling from the earth, moving up through the body, drawing it up to the very top of your head. And then as you exhale, you just simply exhale, releasing that energy, releasing the breath through the nose. So with the body relaxed, keeping the eyes closed, inhale deeply and feel and visualize this energy pulling up from your feet, through your legs, moving up through the torso, and moving all the way up to the area we call the crown, the top of your head. And then exhale, just releasing that energy through the nose, out into your surrounding, out into your environment. And again, inhale, pulling the energy from the earth, just being receptive, pulling it up through the hips, through your abdomen, your torso, all the way up to the top of your head. And then exhale, releasing that energy through the nose, out into the surrounding environment. Again, inhale deeply, pulling the energy up through the legs, through the hips, through your torso, through the throat, and then to the top of your head. And exhale, releasing that energy through the nose. So feel yourself as a bridge, a conduit with your environment. You are in relationship to the earth and your surroundings. Inhale, feel the energy pulling up, rising up through the body. Draw it all the way up to the top of your head. Exhale, releasing it through the nose. And now on your own, continue this, just keeping that visualization, drawing the energy from the earth up through the body and out into the environment. And completing one last round. And then relax your breath. Pause the visualization. And just start to notice how your body feels. And notice the environment surrounding you. Notice the sounds around you. And relaxing. Sat Nam. Thank you.